All of you, my name is Lokesh. Today my topic is heater.
Heater.
We pour some salt. Put the cap, 2 pencil stick.
Yeah. Water is moving up.
అదే అయితే హీట్ అవుతాయి సార్. అవి ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఛార్జ్ అవుతుంది అంటే కరెంట్ పాస్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి అవి హీట్ వాటర్ అనేది హీట్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పాలి.
Okay. Tell boy. Tell.
This is the electric. Thanks for giving this.
Okay.
My name is Kevin Nicholas. Today my topic is about global warming. Global warming is nothing but here. This is the factor, and these are the villages like city. When the factory, when the people are working in the factory, in the factory some smoke is released from the pipes. The smoke is released from the pipe. It is spreading all over the city. So in the homes, the people are getting infected like cancer, and the roads, the cars, bike vehicles, and smoke pollution is so.
గెట్ అప్
They are working in the factory. Some wastes liquids are released.
కాదు మీరు 9th క్లాస్ కదా 10th క్లాస్
Brave boy.
Good morning everybody. My name is Ashwin. Today my topic is
ఎలక్ట్రిక్
tractor. Tractor are used in agriculture and construction buildings and etc. Some farmers are using in nowadays not bullock using tractors. Tractor discovered in 1940. Nowadays all farmers using tractors. It is useful in your daily life. And save trees, save biodiversity. Thank you giving